Hey y'all, your holistic coach here. I help you to be whole. Check me out, like, comment, subscribe. I'm on Instagram, MonicanealHC. Okay, like, comment, subscribe, and bell button. So, young lady I know, she has, the father to her kids. Okay, so he's taking the kid that they share mutually to the dentist. Cool. So he's late. And where we are, state wise, they don't play with lateness. So you more than 15 minutes late. If you didn't call, then they reschedule you and they like, that's it. You can't even come in, nothing. Okay. So she's getting all frustrated with him that he's late to the dentist. And she's like, she's always on time. She likes to be on time. Next time I'm gonna take my child to the dentist. And she's like, that's it, because I can't rely on him. And she's just going off the rails about it. So then, and she looked at me because she wants some advice. And I just looked at her and I said, okay, well, whatever you want to do, but don't complain that you're doing everything next time. But, as a mom, and we got to do everything anyway. And he's always late. Even when we was together, he always late. Okay, whatever you want to do. But just know that when you have to do everything, don't complain. She was like, well, that's true. And I said, she was like, but the daughter is going to be late for the dentist. I said, well, what do you care? You're not going to the dentist. You're not going. You're not in the car with them or anything. She's like, well, that's true. I said, you have to let him do it his way. Now, you can give him pointers or whatever have you. Hey, hurry up before da-da-da. Or try to make it 15 minutes early because of da-da-da. But if he's late, he late. Is it annoying? Yeah. But he's doing it. Let him do it. Or else be prepared to do it yourself. Now, another example. My son, love him dearly. He washes the dishes. I hate the way he washes the dishes. The way he puts the dishes in the dishwasher, the way he washes the whole process, I just don't like. Okay. But I will give him tweaks and, do this instead, do it that way instead, just so he can do it a little bit more correct. Okay. But if I want the help of somebody helping around the house, I got to let him wash the dishes his way. Now, hopefully with the tweaks and so forth, but I got to let him wash the dishes his way. I can't be, oh, you're not doing it right, and nitpick him to death. Nor can I take on the whole household load by myself when I'm out here working in these streets all day. Not going to happen. So either I'm going to be prepared to take on the whole load by myself, and he going to sit back and relax, kick his feet up, because he said, hey, you told me I wasn't doing it right, and you're going to nitpick me to death, so I'm not going to do it. Or I'm going to let him do it his way and move on. So that's a married lesson, that's a life lesson, and that's a man lesson. Men are not going to do things your way. They're not going to. They're not going to do it how you see it. They're not going to see what you see. Either let them do it their way, or be prepared to do it on yourself. And if you don't want to do it on yourself, stop the complaining, stop the attitude, and stop the nitpicking. This is your health coach coming at you in the car. Stay tuned for the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.